Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Mazda CX-9 sun visor. First, identify the specific problem with your visor, whether it's loose, sagging, or completely detached. You'll typically need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flat blade screwdriver, or a small hook tool. Sometimes, a full replacement is necessary, especially if internal components are broken. If your sun visor is simply loose and drooping, a common fix is to tighten its mounting screws. These are usually found at the base where the visor attaches to the headliner. Use a Phillips head or Torx bit screwdriver, depending on your vehicle, to carefully tighten these 1 or 2 screws. Test the visor to ensure it now holds its position firmly. Often, the plastic clip that holds the sun visor in place can break or wear out, causing the visor to sag or not stay latched. To replace it, you'll typically need a flat blade screwdriver and a small hook tool to carefully pry down the old clip. Once removed, align the new clip and push it straight up until it locks into place. For more severe damage, such as a broken internal spring or extensive wear, a full sun visor replacement is often the best solution. This involves unscrewing the entire visor assembly from the roof, which typically uses 2 screws. Disconnect any wiring for vanity lights, then connect the new visor and secure it with the screws. New OEM visors can cost around $200.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.